Overview of the cell cycle. The cell cycle is a systematic sequence of events in a cell leading to its division and duplication. It involves genome duplication, synthesis of cell components, and cell division. Phases of the cell cycle. The cell cycle consists of two primary phases, interphase and M phase. Interphase includes G1S and G2 phases, where the cell grows and D&E replicates. M phase involves the actual process of cell division. Details of interphase. During interphase, the cell is not dividing, but preparing for division. G1 phase involves cell growth without D&E replication. S phase is marked by D&E replication, doubling the D&E content. G2 phase sees further cell growth and protein synthesis for mitosis. Mitosis. The process of equational division. Mitosis occurs in 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. It results in the formation of 2 diploid daughter cells with identical genetic material, crucial for growth and repair. Comparison of mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells producing 2 genetically identical daughter cells, meiointining the chromosome number. Meiosis occurs in reproductive cells, results in 4 genetically varied daughter cells, and halves the chromosome number.